Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Afnak Tafiani, and in this chance, I will try to explain to you about the difference between the approach, method, and technique. So, in the real education and research, the terms approach, method, and technique are often used interchangeably, but they represent distinct levels of specificity in the design and execution of a study or project. Let's delve into each term. First, approach. Approach, an operating philosophy or set of principles that guide a particular field of study or research. For the characteristic, broad and abstract, provides a framework for understanding and addressing a problem or issue, and influences the choice of methods and technique. For example, quantitative. Quantitative approach emphasizes numerical data and statistical analysis. Qualitative approach focuses on understanding meanings, interpretations, and experiences. And mixed methods approach combines both quantitative and qualitative methods. And the second is method. Method, a systematic plan or procedure for conducting research or solving a problem. For the characteristic, first, more specific than an approach. And second, outlines the overall design and procedures of a study. And the third, dictates the specific steps involved in data collection and analysis. For example, experimental method involves manipulating variables to observe their effects. And the survey method collects data through questionnaires or interviews. And case study method, in-depth investigation of a specific case or phenomenon. And the last is technique. For technique is a specific tool or procedure used within a method to carry out a particular task. For the characteristic, most specific level of the hierarchy and practical implementation of methods, and then often interchangeable between different methods. And for the example, interviewing. Interviewing a technique used in survey and case study methods, and then our statistical analysis, a technique used in quantitative methods to analyze numerical data, and then our content analysis, a technique used in qualitative methods to analyze textual data, and relationship between approach, method, and technique. And then our hierarchical relationship. Approach is the broadest encompassing methods, which in turn encompass techniques and our interconnectedness. A particular approach might utilize multiple methods, and each method might employ various techniques. And flexibility. Flexibility, the choice of approach, method, and technique depends on the research question, the nature of the data, and the desired outcomes. Maybe just that from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.